Stiff joints, unclear mind, belly fat that won't go, and always being tired, these aren't just from getting old. They're like quiet yells from your cells wanting air, good food, and to feel new. Long-term swelling, stress, and organs not working don't just happen fast. They grow over years of habits, mostly ones we don't think about. Otto Warburg, a doctor who won a big prize, found something shocking. Sick cells can't live where there's lots of air. But where does the air come from? Not just from the sky, but from what you eat each day. Have you thought about why drinking warm lemon water in the morning is seen as a great habit by many people who live long lives all over the world? Or why is a purple food often not picked at the store, a quiet helper that keeps your heart safe from harm? In this video, we look at 7 great foods, quiet helpers that help clean your body, clear your head, and make you age slower. If you want to live not just longer but also feel better, like share and say something below. Someone you know may need this more than you do. 1 lemon. Can something as easy as lemon water each day hold the key to feeling young again? Lemon, mainly the strong stuff D-limonene in its skin, does great things in your body. It works like a natural cleaner, fighting the bad stuff that hurts cells and makes you age faster. But it's not just about looking young, it's about feeling good. When you drink warm lemon water, it wakes up your liver and helps it clean, helping to wash out the bad stuff that builds up over time. This easy drink can even help your body work better, helping you stay at a good weight and move blood better. Lemon's sour taste turns good inside you, helping to fix acid, cut swelling, and ease hurts that come as you age. Even better, lemon water helps your heart. Things in it can help your cholesterol and blood pressure. Good heart health means blood flows better, which helps give food to your body. A small thing like lemon water can help you feel great. Think just by a new morning thing, you might find a way to feel better. Want to try one more easy thing that does even more good? 2. Good olive oil. What if I said that olive oil each day could help your heart, help your brain, and even make you live longer? It may seem like a dream, but it's true of this gold liquid loved for years. Good olive oil, EVOO, has good fats, which help your heart by cutting bad stuff, easing blood flow, and aiding heart health. Olive oil helps not just your heart, but your brain too. With good stuff inside, EVOO can cut swelling in the brain, which may fight brain aging. Tests show these things can help memory and brain work and fight things like brain disease. The good thing about EVO is it does more than feed you. It goes into your cells, helping fix them and guard your core. So when you pour it on your salad or cook your best veggies, you add taste and help your body fight aging. But here's a fun fact. Olive oil doesn't just fix you up, it helps you live long. The food of the Mediterranean, with lots of olive oil, is tied to long life. So could this gold liquid be what you need each day? Next, we'll look at a great food that can boost your health in ways you can't guess. 3. Spirulina stuff. What if I said a bit of green dust could help you have more power, fight off sickness, and even live longer? Spirulina, called a superfood, has a lot of protein, vitamins, and things your body needs in each small bit. It fights cell damage that can cause aging and sickness. But spirulina really shines when it helps your body fight illness and keeps swelling down. This tiny plant is great for older people who feel tired and get sick easily. With lots of iron, B vitamins, and healthy fats, spirulina can make you feel more alive and able to do things each day. It also helps clean your body, getting rid of bad stuff in your blood and waste. But there's more. Spirulina can make your muscles stronger, which is very important as you get older. Strong muscles help you not fall and get hurt. And spirulina helps with pain from sore joints. Could this easy thing to add to your food be what your body has needed for years? Let's see one more veggie with great power to help with getting older. Have you thought why green leaves are called a key to health? They have lots of good things and help all parts of you. Like kale, spinach, or collard, they are full of vitamin K, iron, and magnesium. These help your bones, muscles, and heart work well. Leafy greens help stop swelling in your body. This is great for older people with joint pain, heart issues, or tummy woes. Lots of fiber helps your gut, so you get more good stuff from food and feel well. Even more, leafy greens clean your body. The green stuff helps clean out bad stuff and helps your liver work well, so your body works best. The good stuff in these greens helps keep you safe from harm, which makes you age faster and causes things like diabetes and heart problems. So, are you set to learn the cool health perks these greens give and how they can help you live better? Now, let's see how one fruit can give close but new health perks. 5 nuts. Have you thought of why some nuts might be all you need to stay well as you get older? Nuts, while small, have lots of good stuff that helps most parts of your body. They have good fats, vitamin E, and stuff for muscles, so they are great for your heart, how your muscles work, and even how your skin looks. These nuts help lower bad fats and calm swelling, so they are good for diets that fight getting old. Almonds have good fats that help keep your blood paths clean, which cuts your chance of heart problems, a big worry for older people. Plus, vitamin E helps keep skin safe and helps you look young longer. Here's a cool thing. Almonds change your blood sugar. Tests show that eating almonds often can help keep blood sugar steady, which is good for people with or at risk of diabetes. A study found that eating almonds each day can help cut blood sugar jumps after eating, which quietly makes many age issues worse. So, are you set to use the plain strong might of almonds in what you eat each day? But hold on a moment. Let's look at one more veggie that does great things to help your health as you get older. 6. Asparagus. What if I said that something as nice as asparagus could help make getting older slower? Known for its good taste and soft feel, asparagus is more than just a tasty thing to eat with your meal. It's a great food for old people's bodies, full of vitamins A, C, E, and K, and also folate and fiber. Asparagus helps many body jobs, from strong bones to fighting sickness. One of the most odd good things about asparagus is that it can fight swelling. Swelling is what causes many long-term problems that hurt old people, like sore joints, heart trouble, and tummy issues. The good stuff in asparagus, like glutathione, can lower stress and help your liver so your body cleans up better. Think by eating this green thing, you help your liver clean out bad stuff and get better. But here's more. This food also helps your gut. The fiber in asparagus feeds good germs in your belly, which helps your gut work right. A good gut helps you digest food and makes your body strong, which gets weak as you get old. So can this simple food help you feel good longer? Let's look at one more food that helps you live long, one you might not know about. 7. Eggplant. What if the way to help sore spots, cut bad fats, and save your brain was in the dark color of an eggplant? This plain food is not often seen, but it has great health perks that help you stay well as you get older. Full of fiber, vitamin C, and things that fight harm, eggplant does more than make food look nice. It truly helps you live long. One of eggplant's best parts is nasunin, a thing that fights harm in the skin. Nasunin can save brain cells from harm, which is key in brain diseases. By cutting harm, eggplant can keep your mind sharp and your memory good, so it's great for older folks who worry about their minds. Besides its brain perks, eggplant helps your heart by cutting bad fats. It has lots of fiber that helps keep blood pressure in check, and it has things that fight damage and help keep your blood vessels clear. So eggplant can help lower your chance of heart issues, a big worry as we get older. While it may not be the first food you think of for a long life, eggplants have lots of good stuff that fights swelling and keeps your cells safe. Could this plain purple food be what you need to stay healthy as you age? Like we said, these great foods, lemon, olive oil, spirulina, green leaves, almonds, asparagus, and eggplant, all help you in special ways as you get older. They can help your heart, fight swelling, or help your brain work better. These good foods can help you feel strong and ready for the day. By adding these foods to what you eat each day, you help your body stay strong as you get older. If this was useful, please like and share this talk with those you know, because everyone should learn how to live a long, healthy life. Thanks for reading, and know that your health is very important. Keep taking care of it each day.